This is apparently the hot springs that the local people go to.
We're getting wet already. We're going to go and lay in the spring, are we?
Yep.
Or food first?
Food first?
Oh, sure. There's restaurants over there.
Okay.
Some look closed, but...
Oh no, the local one's fine.
Yeah. Still smoky, look at it. Local spring.
Yeah. Doi Saket. Oh, we have little places like this. Perfect.
But another shop, the daughter not coming. Yeah, we can have a sit here to eat first. Huh?
Yeah, okay.
Perfect.
After eating there, and then go to soak the feet there, soak bathing there. Yeah.
Naked?
No, no.
Oh, no.
Very good. This is going to be our private mineral bath.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like much, but
No.
it's not what I expected. But let's just go with the experience. So I've had my 20-minute soak. I've left Dave in there though.
Cold. This one was hot.
Mm-hmm.
And open it up. Let some more heat in. I don't want to go too close, more like they'll probably blow off. And
How's it work?
that's the hot hole from the geyser outside.
Ah,
And
right.
you can, oh,
So does that have the mineral in it, Dave?
yes, it does. It's
does?
really pungent. Yeah.
Yeah, in aroma. It is.
Oh yeah. I thought it was ball water to start with. It's not ball water. Well, there'd be stains everywhere. There's no stains, but it's very pungent.
Yeah, are we done?
Yeah.
All right.
I think I might get out because I'm starting to, I'm wrinkling.
All right. So, 30 minutes later, I don't know, do we feel any different? I'm not really sure, but it was refreshing. I'll give it that.
The hot water they took for the bathing.
I'm just looking where to step. Ah.
In the tank.
Oh, right, it goes through those tanks. Oh. Okay, so that's the water that comes from the spring that I just videoed there. And it funnels through to these sections here where you would be dipping your feet. It's just so peaceful here. Dave's gone to fly his drone right now as he's been given permission. If anyone knows what those plants are, can you please tell me in the comments? You know, this is a learning journey for myself and Dave, so we will come across a lot of things that we don't know. So that's what we got you guys for. Help us out. Some buffaloes over yonder. That's a skinny one. And there's Dave blowing the drum. How peaceful is this? How peaceful! Look at that bird sitting on that white buffalo over there. And there's one on its head.